Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Suburban. We're going to show you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835015. As a quick note, this mount also fits the Chevy Tahoe and the GMC Yukon Denali's. First thing we want to know about this mount is it does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as this blue covering right here. Now you do want to peel that tape off before you attach the mount, and if you ever have to remove the mount, that tape is designed so that it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing is, make sure you install the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. This one is going to be attaching just over this lip here when you open this compartment door. And then there's also a seam down here underneath this hard piece of the console. So the first thing is we just want to slip this top edge over this lip, and then we're going to be pushing down with our thumb on top and a little bit inwards with our hand on the side of the mount here. You do that until it snaps into that seam in the base. Then you can close your door and we're ready to attach a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.